This is our review for the Hiseeu security system that we recently purchased from amazonsmile.com. We originally purchased this unit for our kids, and after seeing how it displayed and how easy it was to set up, decided to purchase one for ourselves. As you can see, we ordered the unit that has 4 cameras, comes with the modem box, and it connects to your cell phone or smartphone. You can see here the modem comes with a mouse, so that way you can navigate through the setup system. It was fairly easy to install. Comes with a user manual pictured there that has step-by-step instructions. The pictures in the manual are not real clear, but the written instructions in there make it easy to follow along. You can see the display there on the TV, very clear. We only have 3 of the 4 cameras hooked up so far, but is easy to log into, easy to watch, shows real time. Images on the cell phone are just as clear. So we've been actually very happy with this product. We've referred 4 other people to this same unit, 3 of which have already purchased it for their own personal use. So we highly recommend if you're looking for something that's easy to use to help protect your home. It records, you can rewind, go back, and check things out and make sure that everything is safe and secure. I hope this video helps, and I hope you have a wonderful day.
Okay, I wanted to make a video about this because I was pleasantly surprised. It's only, I think we paid like $230 or something around that, and it comes with 4 cameras, and it comes with the DVR to record, and it can record up to 24 hours a day. Right now we only have 3 of the cameras put up. The only thing we had to buy for it was extension cords for the ones we needed power supply to, and my husband is picking up another extension cord today, and then we will be putting the 4th camera up. But I just wanted to show a couple things. You can double click and it shows it full screen, so you can pick which one you want to see. Here's our backyard where we have a pool where our kids are playing. And as you can see, it works great. So I am very pleased with this. If there are any changes, I will update you guys.